Sometimes I don't like high shine gloss because sometimes it sticks to your teeth and nobody tells you, and you're just there walking around with red on your teeth and you're just like, hi, how's everyone doing? Okay, no, I don't have red on my teeth. I was like, imagine if I was saying that and I did actually have red on my teeth. Wow, guys. Wowza. Auntie Folaka has returned. She's returned, oh. No, do what I want. I do not want to do what I want. Sir. Bye. And finally, what you've all been waiting for, a stunning red. This is Corrupted. Great choice of name for a red lip gloss. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's on fire. Yes, honey, Corrupted. I am here for it. I really want to get Corrupted. This is the type of red lip gloss that I use, so definitely will be using this a lot. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Sleek and their lip shots. So I'm just holding a few in my hands because I can't carry all of them, but yeah, they've brought out their new lip shot products. I'm currently sporting Corrupted and I've tested and tried all of these shades for you, so stay tuned. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here, so why not hit that subscribe button? Like, what are y'all waiting for? Can you hit that subscribe button right now? Okay, you have. Let's get into the video. Okay, so these are the Sleek new lip shots, and they are like high gloss impact lip glosses. They come in a range of colors to suit different skin tones, different looks that you're trying to achieve, and I'm just going to test them all out for you. So let's get swatching right now. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Get 3, which is a kind of nudie color. Hey, I'm looking like one auntie. I don't know. This nude Get 3 is not for me, my loves. It just doesn't go with black skin, I suppose. Nah, babe, not for me. It's not the one. I've never had my lips so pink like this before. Of course, I probably need a liner, but it's not the one for me. So let's go in with Plot Twist, which is another kind of deeper nude. So maybe that will be a nice tone for my lips. Okay, that's more like it. That is Plot Twist. That is kind of like a more reddish, deeper nude, and I think that kind of suits my skin tone. So yeah, I really like Plot Twist, and I will just swatch it for you so you can see the colour. That is really cute. And I didn't swatch Get Free, so I'll swatch that for you as well now. So you can see the comparison. That's more of a kind of like pinkish coral nude, and coral nudes don't really suit me, so Get Free needs to get free of me, to be honest. And I've literally just had Plot Twist on for a few like seconds, and I actually really like this lip shot, so that will be staying in my collection for sure. Okay, so the next nudish tone is Brutal Honesty, and this is it swatched. Really cute. It's very similar to the Riot one. It's just a little bit more pinky, so let's put that on and let's see what it looks like. Okay, well, Brutal Honesty on my skin tone is actually okay. I think because the eyeshadow I'm wearing, it looks a little bit too pink, but I'm sure if I wore it with a darker eyeshadow, like maybe a smoky eyeshadow, it would look so much better. So I really like Brutal Honesty, to be honest. So that will have to stick in my collection. Okay, the next one is Behind Closed Doors. We're kind of going deeper into the reddish zone, and this is Behind Closed Doors. It kind of reminds me of a kind of like a blackcurrant cherry kind of color, but like a little bit more lighter. So let's just see that on. Okay, so that's Behind Closed Doors, and it's kind of like a plum colour. I don't really wear plums, so I don't know if this is for me, but it's a nice little glossy plum colour. My poor lips, and we still have more to go. Okay, this is Dark Paradise. This again is a nice deep plum colour, so let's see what it looks like on. I'm not sure if there's much difference between this and the last one, but it's a little bit more deeper. I'll just swatch it for you. It's a little bit more deeper and more purple than Behind Closed Doors, but there's not that much difference, guys, to be honest. But I do like this though. I prefer this better than Behind Closed Doors, to be honest. And the next shade is Hidden Truth. This is a nice little brown gloss. Very nice and brown. I don't really wear brown glosses or lipstick, so this could be good to try out. So let's just try it out. Wow, wow, wow. So this is Hidden Truth. Absolutely love this. This is very natural on the lips, as you can see. I think this is going to be my go-to lip gloss. Yeah, love it. It's so silky, it's so natural, and you could just wear it like when you're wearing natural makeup. So yeah, this is a keeper. So the next one is Ready or Not, which is a darker plum color. Just gonna swatch it for you. Very dark. It actually comes off like a very dark mahogany, like a reddish brown color. So this is Ready or Not. Absolutely love this colour. I think it's very complimentary, very flattering to my skin tone. And I think, you know, sometimes you just don't want to wear red. This is an alternative. This is like when you're wearing like darker makeup and you want to complement the look. This is a go-to. So Ready or Not. Great for dark skin tones. Next colour is Dress to Kill. This looks like a deep, funky purple colour. Yes! Dress to Kill, motherfuckers. Let's just watch it. Yeah, I am dressed to kill. I'm dressed to kill the men. I feel like this is way too much. It's very auntie-ish, you know? It's very like anti-folake. So, nah, it's not for me. It's a very rich, deep purple and it's very vibrant, but I feel like if you don't line it, it's gonna go all over the place. As you can see, it's looking a little bit too much for me, you know? So this one is a no. The next one is Do What I Want. And this is a vibrant pink. I don't even think I should try this because I know already what this is going to look like on, and it is not going to be nice. But guys, I have to swatch it for you, so let me get to swatch it. Wow guys, wowza. Auntie Folaka has returned. She's returned, oh. No, Do What I Want. I do not want to do what I want. So, bye. Okay, this is Game Player. Am I a game player? For sure. Will this suit me? Not sure. This is a kind of coral orange lip gloss. So let's swatch it. Oh wow. This is very sexy. I'm not sure if it suits black skin tone though, but it's very sexy. I think it will suit kind of like a lighter shade or maybe someone that's kind of like mixed race, but more in the lighter skin tones. But let's just try it on for you. I'm not too sure about Game Player. I think it could be a game changer. See what I just did there? Boom, boom, boom. Tis. The only thing is, it does need a liner, and I don't know because of all the colours that I've tried on if it's working or not. And then obviously I am wearing purple eyeshadow because I just filmed a look, so I don't know if it really goes. I'm gonna have to like try it on with like my natural makeup and see, but I think this could be, yeah, a game player. And finally, what you've all been waiting for, a stunning red. This is Corrupted. Great choice of name for a red lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, woo, it's on fire. I currently use the Fenty Beauty red lip gloss, and I also use a Smashbox one. This could be like a great option. Yes, honey, Corrupted. I am here for it. I really want to get Corrupted. This is the type of red lip gloss that I use, so definitely will be using this a lot. Okay guys, so I've tested them all out for you. I can say that my favorites, like absolute favorites that will stick in my makeup box, is going to be Corrupted, which I'm wearing now. Absolutely love it. Then I would say Hidden Truth. It's kind of like a brownish natural gloss, so definitely going to have that. And Ready or Not, which is a kind of like a plum lip gloss. Some of them just really didn't suit my skin tone, and the colour was just a little bit too vibrant for me, but I'm sure it will suit another skin tone. So there is literally everything for everyone. What I do love about them is the application. The application is very easy to put on. I think because I tried on so many, towards the end I did need a lip liner, but I think on a normal day you wouldn't need a lip liner. You just put the lip gloss on, apply it, and you're ready to go. And the applicator is very sturdy and it picks up a lot of gloss. What I hate is when you put your lip gloss on and when you take it off, there's literally nothing on the brush, but that doesn't really do that. It still allows you to put enough on your lips. So yeah, go Sleek. And I always love Sleek. I love their products. I think they're very versatile. I think they have a lovely range for all skin tones. So I'm all for Sleek. In terms of colour, I think that the colours are very pigmented. They're very rich in colour. The only thing is they're very glossy, but I wouldn't say they're like high shine gloss. Like, I do love a high shine gloss, but they're more of a, not a matte gloss, but a subtle gloss. But nevertheless, sometimes I don't like high shine gloss because sometimes it sticks to your teeth and nobody tells you, and you're just there walking around with red on your teeth and you're just like, hi, how's everyone doing? Okay, no, I don't have red on my teeth. I was like, imagine if I was saying that and I did actually have red on my teeth. But thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share the video. Why not share it? And as always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below for all these lip shots so you can get them online. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to always stay, what? Bouji.